Welcome back to Taste the World with Julia. Today we are baking classic ANZAC biscuits, the classic oat and coconut cookies from Australia and New Zealand. You will need 155 grams of flour, 50 grams of desiccated coconut, 110 grams of rolled oats, 130 grams of brown sugar, 90 grams of white sugar. For the wet mixture, you will need 175 grams of unsalted butter, 30 grams of water, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. 40 grams of golden syrup or honey. First, preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius and line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. In a large bowl, combine the flour, coconut, oats, brown sugar, white sugar, and salt. Mix until everything is evenly distributed. Melt the butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Keep cooking and swirling the pan for about 3 to 4 minutes until the butter foams up and turns golden brown and nutty. Weigh out 135 grams of the brown butter back into the pan. Add the honey or golden syrup and the water and warm gently over low heat until smooth. If you enjoy recipes from around the world, subscribe to Taste the World with Julia for a new one every week. Take the pan off the heat and stir in the baking soda. It will foam up, but that's exactly what you want. Pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients and fold together until you have a thick, even dough. Scoop the dough into 50-gram bowls. Roll them smooth and space them out on your baking sheets. They will spread quite a bit. Then bake for about 50 minutes until deep golden around the edges. If you want perfectly round biscuits, scoot the edges in with a large cookie cutter while they're still hot. Then leave them on the pan to set as they cool. And you are done freshly baked ANZAC cookies. Store them in an airtight container and they'll keep beautiful for up to a week. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Taste the World with Julia. Watch the next video here.